Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of IKNOWLEE, and if you're watching this, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe because we're going to transform a bad hair day into a obviously good one in maybe about 5 minutes or so. There are so many styles that you can do to kind of transform your hairstyle if it's not in the best state, but you really don't have time to completely redo it, and this is one of them. Tell me it ain't cute. Even in areas where you lack definition or where it might be a little bit too frizzy, you can mask that by doing different styles. And I'm gonna show you one of my favorite ones, this one, in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. This perm rod set was about 3 days old and getting quite frizzy, so I grabbed a rat tail comb and I just parted my hair from ear to ear. I really only worried about the parts where they would be visible in the middle. I quite frankly did not care. After that, I kind of just sectioned off the back so that it would be out of the way so that I could fully focus on the front. And then grabbing a bit of edge control, I smoothed this on my edges. I know that everyone isn't a fan of edge control, so if you're not, then just don't use it. Following that, using a soft bristled brush, I did smooth that edge control in. Be as gentle as possible during this process so that you don't cause any breakage. And even when we start to smooth it into a ponytail, you're going to see that number one, I use a ponytail holder that is ouchless, so it has no metal on it, and this one is kind of like a stocking that's been wrapped into a ponytail. And then I only wrapped it around twice, so it's not tight at all. It gets very, very loose, so it's more like a puff, and what that also allows is more volume at the top in that little kind of bun ponytail type deal. Smooth it a little bit more, and then I am going to move directly into the edges. Once again, this part is optional. You can skip it, but I'm going to use an edge brush. These are $2 at your local urban beauty supply, and kind of create like these swoops and little kissy curls. You know, you can go all out, or you can just keep it simple and rock, you know, your natural baby hairs. It's just all dependent on you, but I do like to kind of create a little bit and give myself some sideburns because I think sideburns is poppin', sis. After that, you already know what's going to happen next. We are going to fluff. So I'm grabbing a pick and just lift gently at the roots. Do not pull all the way through. Let me repeat this. Do not pull all the way through, and be as gentle as possible. I know it looks like I'm being a little rough, but I promise you I'm not. And after that, if there's any curls that are clumped together, I'm just going to release them to give me a bit more volume. And then slightly, ever so slightly, kind of fluff out the puff that is at the top. That's the whole style, sis. Thank you loves for watching. I hope that you subscribed at the beginning of the video like I asked you to. If you didn't, make sure that you go ahead and click on my face right here. You can hit that subscribe button and watch some of my other videos that will be linked here. How you doing? Have a great day, guys. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.